Hello everyone, welcome to GPuncher tutorial. This tutorial is about our super assembly nesting report, a full report. And why it's called super assembly? Super assembly is called this version because you can handle a full assembly. You can see a job right there, a full sheet with many nested parts. Also, you go on, you can open other sheets. All of them, all these components, gonna become one assembly. They belong to one assembly. Once we punch them and form them, we're gonna assemble them. So you actually can handle thousands of sheets here. That's why it's called super assembly. And once you have the sequence and everything, for example, we can see the sequence here, you can generate a report, and I'm going to do so. The report is located in the blank menu, and then it's called sheet nesting report. I'm going to update, okay, I'm going to update the super assembly vault where all the components are. And right now you have some information about the current job, but you want to switch to all of them. It gives you a resume of what you're getting in this full assembly. You know, the parts names, and between parentheses, you have the flat size and the area. And then how many you getting on the right. When you punch this project, you wanna let's go on and print the full report. It's pretty easy. You have some options here, and that's plain about them. When we generate the full report, you just click print full report, and I'm gonna save it as full report, and I'm gonna save it in program, sketch line, blanks, and printing test, and it's gonna be called full report. Let me correct the name real quick. And I'm going to generate it. I just click save, and GPuncher starts working and numbering the parts, and you know, browsing, switching through the wall components, and eventually we'll generate the report. So let's give it a second. It's still working. The PDF, we're gonna go open it. It might pop up on my other screen, so I'm gonna have to move it to this screen because I have two monitors. But let's see. I'm gonna open it. It's called full report, and yes, I'm gonna carry on and open it on and move it to this screen for the video. And you can see on the top, you're gonna have the full resume, what you're getting. And let me kind of minimize a little bit. And if you go on, you're going to start getting the setup sheets. In this case, is the first sheet, the one that has all the components, multiple parts, and they numbered. Number 1, 2, and 3. If we scroll down, you start getting the parts that are in that sheet, in that particular sheet, and by numbers, number 1, and you're getting 8 per sheet, and so on, number 2, number 3, and then you're gonna get the sheet, and it has numbers on it to correlate to or identify according to these numbers. Okay, and I'm gonna scroll down. Then it's gonna pop up the next setup sheet. You can see it here. It is for the second component. It is for this component right here. SM-S441-1, and same thing. This item is number 4. As we scroll down, you get the part. You get to see with some information. It has the flat size, item number, and how many you getting per sheet. And then you go on and see the sheet, actual sheet with the clamps and what you punching, and so on. And you can go through all of them, and it's going to be the same thing. I finally got to the bottom, and that's how you generate the report. And it's pretty full of information. That's actually what you will need to for your operator, your punch press operator, laser operator, or or the office people. Thanks for watching, and you can always call me, Joe Torres, or visit www.metalpuncher.com or call 209-740-4682. You can ask for Joe Torres. Thank you.